Hello and welcome to this video. We're going to talk about downsell pages. Okay, so basically what it is you made the sale in the order form right here, and now you need to make another sale after an upsell. Okay, so how we're going to do is basically we're going to go to order form, we're going to add a step. This is going to be the upsell, and now we're here, we go to sales and upsell and then save. Okay, now we're going to choose any type of one. I don't really need a specific template. Digital product, just add the product that it is. So it can be a course, full access, grant. For the price plans, we're going to select one that we already have. So course and save. Okay, done. Now we need to create a downsell, which is what it is. So add a step, downsell, choose type. Now here we click downsell and save. Because I reached the limit of downsells and upsells, I would need to upgrade it. Okay, this is my a dummy account. So in this case, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to remove this page, and I'm just going to add a downsell. So here, sales, downsell, and save. So now I have a downsell, and you can see the icon down and downsell there, and then you just choose whatever you like here. In this case, I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and you do the exact same thing as an upsell. You choose the offer, the resources, you choose whatever you have. If you don't have anything yet, then make sure that you check the other videos so that you know how to do it. In price plans, you choose the price plan. If you want to add a price plan and create 1 year, you can create it right here, simply just by clicking there. And now you fill out these forms, and there you go. In this case, I'm going to just select one that I already have, okay, which is that one, and save. And this is the exact same thing, rinse and repeat. Now this is a downsell, and if you want to add an automations about that, you can add a rule, add a tag, and follow to the next thing. Really, really simple as all the other ones work. Now in this case, it's going to be new sale, and because I have reached the limit in rules, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to automation, rules, and now I'm going to delete this one. Okay, I'm going to back here, I'm going to refresh. Downsell, automations, add a rule, new cell. So new cell here in the downsell. I'm going to add an action. I'm going to add a tag. The tag is going to be downsell, but I only need one tag in this account. So downsell and save rule. And now here I can send an email. I can add another rule. I can click here and add another action. Whatever these actions you want to do, you can do it. Like this one, you cannot, because you cannot enroll based on this automation rule. Like here, you cannot enroll. But for example, if you click here, test course, and you want to save, you're gonna see this. Like you cannot do this, right? So you can just remove it, and you add access in the automation workflows instead. Okay, so now that's pretty much about it. You add a tag, you can add an email. Let's go back, automations, workflows. And now in the workflow, we're gonna just say that we're gonna select a new cell, for example, and this new cell is gonna be the downsell page and update. And then we are going to go ahead and enroll in the course. So action, enroll in the course, choose the course, create, and now it's successful. Okay, you can do this way. Although when you set up a funnel, sales funnel, we're going to go to the downsell. When you do this resources and you make this happen, it is already automatically going to give you access. Okay, so if you add it in your workflow as well, they might get repetitive welcome emails, so don't do that. But yeah, everything else you can set it up that way. If you are interested to know more about downsell templates, or I have free ones, I have paid ones. If you are interested in knowing more about designs, make sure that you also check the other resources. Go ahead, have fun with it, practice with it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in our community, and see you in the next video.